you can't control what you don't measure. So a lot of things that allow us to measure allows me to control things. Even if it's a grazing plan where we're measuring animal days or infiltration rates or water cycle, mineral cycle, ecosystem management, to how much feed I put in the bunk and how much compost I take out and what is the microbial activity in my worm casting compost, all of that stuff has to be measured. We rely heavily on our computer software management for the feedlot, which took our feeding from on pen and paper and writing it down years ago to now being able to dial things in to like 0.25 kilograms per head dry matter on a dry matter basis. We have increased stock days per acre since 1980 to 3,862% of what it was initially. And we're still gaining, but the initial gain is already done. Now it's small incremental changes. Fine tuning that is huge. And that's really hard for me because you have to be able to measure those. And that's something that we don't have the ability to do as much as farmers because I'm not a soil scientist. I would love to have a microscope, but I don't have a microscope. I can't in real time analyze what's going on. To see the small gains, I have to rely on what's happening on the land and what's happening on the ecosystem and mineral cycle and water cycle. But all of those things don't really tell me a big story. I've made a small incremental change here and this and this. So it's tough status quo doing what he did, and I'm maintaining hopefully what he did. But I would like to be on an upward trajectory of that. And I think that when you can measure things and know where you're at, that's huge.